how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have learned about the story of the thief's story. Now there are some questions in read and find out. Now the question number 1 is, who does I refer to in this story? Answer is, I refers to Hari Singh, the narrator of the story, who is a 15-year-old experienced thief. Second question, what is he a fairly successful hand at? Answer, he is a fairly successful hand at stealing. He is an experienced thief. He is so clean and cautious in his work that he robs people without being caught. Question number 3, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? Answer, in return of Hari Singh's work, Anil gives him food and a place to live. Fourth question, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? Answer, according to Hari, Anil would be sad not because of the loss of money but because of the loss of trust he had in Hari. Question number 5, what does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Answer, Hari's experience as theft that made him aware of the difference in reactions of people when they are robbed. According to him, a greedy man shows fear, a rich man shows anger, and a poor man shows acceptance. Question number 6, does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Yes, Anil realized that he had been robbed. He would have noticed it because all the notes that he kept were wet the next morning. He also knew that it had rained the previous night, so it was likely that somebody had taken the notes out. So here students, we complete the read and find out questions. Now next go to the think about it. Now from the think about it, the question is, what are Hari Singh's reaction at the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? Here hint is, compare for example the thought, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve with these latter thoughts. Whole sentence, I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man was something else. What makes him return to Anil? Answer, Hari was very happy and grateful when he learned to write his name. He was very excited when Anil promised to teach him to write whole sentence as well. He knew that being an educated man will add to his abilities and he could achieve unlimited material success. Yes, Hari's reaction changed over time. When he left Anil's house, he realized that stealing was simply a crime to indulge himself, but being educated was an entirely different thing. He knew the respect, reputation, and possibilities that would come to him once he was educated. The realization to receive education and earn respect compelled him to return money to Anil. Question number 2. Why does Anil not hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? Answer, Anil does not hand over Hari to the police on theft charges. He knew about the theft, but he did not thrash him nor even mentioned it in front of Hari. He was glad that Hari had realized his mistake and the importance of education in life. Anil wanted Hari to become a literate man and lead a respectable life. Unlike Anil, most people would have beaten up Hari Singh or would have handed him to the police for stealing the money. Anil is different from other such employers because he is a very understanding. Hari's return gave him the hope of a change in the thief. Anil wishes to reform the young thief through love and sympathy. So students, here we complete our question answers of think about it. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.